DinoRigo playtime.
So right now I'm just mixing the paper mache paste, and this just has flour and hot water.
Flour and hot water? How crazy!
Today we're gonna make a Brachiosaurus Piñata. Okay. Now we're gonna blow up the balloon. This is gonna be the body of the Brachiosaurus Piñata. I think this is a good body note for or maybe smaller. Okay, this is good. So it's going to be the body of the Brachiosaurus. Now we need to make the head of the Brachiosaurus. So this is the body, so the head is going to be a little bit smaller, so...
We have a mess!
Maybe like this. Okay.
Stir, 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 stir.
What are you making?
Dinosaur pudding.
Also known as paper mache.
Paper mache paste.
Paper mache paste?
Yeah.
You're mixing it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It smells like raw eggs.
So we're gonna use this as the neck. So it's gonna be the head, and it's gonna be connected to the body like this. So it'll be a Brachiosaurus.
Oh no.
So let's get to it. So we're gonna cover the piece of paper with the paper mache paste.
Ellie, milk.
Oh no!
Brachiosaurus.
So we have the head, we have the neck, and the body, and then this is the tail. So now we just need to add the legs to this Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus.
So here we have the
Brachiosaurus.
dinosaur. It's the Brachiosaurus. So already covered it with paper mache. It's nice and hard. Now we're just gonna paint it. Hey guys, so we spray painted the dinosaur, but we didn't really like the color because we thought it was like too bright. So now we have a helper here, Abby, that's gonna help us paint the dinosaur. And what color are we gonna paint him?
We're gonna paint him green.
Green? Oh, okay. So let's get to it.
Dad. Oh, this brush is gonna get pink. It's gonna turn to white to pink. Sweet, sweet. Let me paint that one. Only do this with adult supervision.
So we already finished our dinosaur. Check him out. He looks really cool. Oh, it's alive!
Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe.